Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm here to walk you through Data Tools Pro Explorer so you can get accustomed to how you can quickly slice and dice data from the comfort of your Snowflake environment. We built this tool really for two use cases. One, non-engineers who we want to quickly deliver data to so that they can access and potentially export data in the grain and the detail that they need to do analysis, typically in Excel. And then also, even for data engineers or analysts that just quickly want to explore, profile, and slice and dice data without having to code SQL. So in this case, when we load up Data Tools Pro Explorer, it has its own database, and we load up some sample data for you to play with, and that's what we'll look at here. But typically, you would start with selecting the database, the schema, and the table view or dynamic view where you want to slice and dice data. So inside of the configuration window, you can either select individual columns or you can go the aggregation route, which is 90% of what our users are typically doing. So in this case, maybe I want to look at the product category grain. I want to look at how many records exist. I can either do a row count, and then maybe I want to see how many unique customers exist. We also let you override the name in case if you want to edit your query to be a little more friendly. We then allow you to sort. So maybe I'll sort by the distinct customer name. I can choose the descending order. Data Tools Pro is really just generating SQL for you. And when I run it, I can view the results, and I can even export and download the data. Now, something else that we added is the ability to do basic column profiling. So we grab only the columns that are used in your result. And so when you select a column, we'll do basic profiling. Snowflake on its own will profile the entire database. This gives you a little more control in the event that you want to. So our profiling function right now will profile just the result. Certainly we're open to feedback in the event where maybe you want to profile the source instead of the result. Then we have the ability to take this query in the event that we want this as something we can recall later. We can save it. I'll save it. And now we've got that query available in our inventory. Now that we have this saved query, when someone else opens up Data Tools Pro Explorer, assuming their role has access to it, we will show them queries based on their level of access to the individual data set. So access control is not at the query, it's not for the query, it's for the individual object. Now, to make it a little bit easier to find, sort, and navigate these queries, we've added our own tagging, and we allow you to tag one or multiple lines of business. So in this case, maybe I have sales, I have marketing, and I have finance. And then we provide an open-ended topics tag so that you can create any number of tags however you like and whatever's relevant in your organization. Now currently we can edit the SQL, we can rename it, we can edit tags, we can delete. We'll have an additional explore function where we can feed the results of this query for further exploration. That's a feature that's coming soon. But we're always looking for feedback. We're iterating and improving this on a bi-weekly basis. And we'll certainly take on any requests how we can make Data Tools Pro Explorer more useful and more productive for your analysis use cases. Thanks for watching.